Sir, we are live now. You can start.
Ganesh. Ganesh, are you there? Are you ready, ma? Hello, Ganesh? Ganesh?
And meanwhile, we'll play the video.
Wait once. He has to give welcome. Ganesh, are you ready?
Actually, Ganesh is unable to unmute himself, I guess. If you can tell me the ID, I'm just unmuting him. Yes. I've unmuted Ganesh. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Are you ready, Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
You can start your video also, Ganesh.
Hello. Good afternoon, all. A warm welcome brings you all to the 53rd Engineers Day celebrations. Respected honorable dignitaries, C. Gopal Reddy, sir, Chairman, CMA Technical Campus, Srimati Vasantalata, ma'am, Secretary, CMA Technical Campus, Dr. A. Rajireddy, sir, Director, CMA Technical Campus, Dr. M. Ahmad Ali Baig, sir, Dean Academics, CMA Technical Campus, Dr. Ashutosh Saxena, sir, Dean R&D, Dr. K. Sujan Raju, sir, Dean Student Welfare and HOD of CSE and IT Department. Dr. V. Keshava Reddy, sir, HOD of H&S Department. Dr. D. Manaya, sir, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor S. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, sir, HOD Civil Engineering Department. Professor G. Srikant, sir, HOD ECE Department. My dear faculty and my student friends, I welcome you, and it is my privilege to welcome you all to this wonderful occasion of 53rd Engineers Day celebrations, which is celebrated on birth anniversary of Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, popularly known as Sir MV. It is the 160th birth anniversary of Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. Engineering, without engineering, science is just a philosophy. Without engineering, the world is like a building without foundation, a bike without a wheel, a bulb without electricity, because science can amuse and fascinate all of us, but it is engineering that changed the world. It is a proud moment for all of us being associated with engineering. Every year, we, the engineering community of CMA Technical Campus, celebrate Engineers Day organized by Civil Engineering Department to honor the pioneers of the past and motivate the future upcoming engineers with many events like quiz, poster and model presentations, technical presentations, and many more events. This year, for the 53rd Engineers Day, though working virtually is tough, show must go on. With the same spirit, Civil Engineering Department organized events like quiz, e-poster, and photography competitions virtually to mark today's importance to the budding young engineers. We, engineers, are the world and its creators. Scientists discover the world, but the engineers create the world that never existed before. With this conclusion, I once again welcome you all to the 53rd Engineers Day celebrations. Now let us have audio vision of Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, the person who is behind this Engineers Day celebrations, Bharat Ratna. Now we'll have audio.
Industrialization was the only cure for some of the ills of our rural economy. He prepared a scheme for rural industrialization, which the Mysore government accepted and implemented. Over the years, he gave practical schemes or advice for the water supply of many towns in India. was also responsible for the water supply schemes of Goa, Hyderabad, Sindh and Aden. Vishveshwaraya worked incessantly, preparing plans and schemes for the development of the country. He published several books and pamphlets. Waking or sleeping, he had only one thought in his mind: nation building. Vishveshwaraya travelled abroad several times. Wherever he went, his one consuming desire was to bring back technical know-how for the development of his own motherland. He gave his invaluable technical advice for the location of one of the colossal projects of recent times, the Ganga Bridge at Mokame in Bihar. He was past 90 when he undertook this work. His deep interest in the industrialization of the country led Vishveshwaraya to found the All India Manufacturers Organization in 1941. Its motto, prosperity through industry. He wanted manufacturers in the country to develop initiative and build new industries with the help of modern methods of organization. As the founder president of the organization, Vishveshwaraya still keeps in close touch with its activities and gives the organization the benefit of his rich experience and wise counsel. A grateful nation has heaped honors on a man who has served the country in so many spheres. Knighthood, degrees, honoris causa galore. When the centenary of his alma mater, the Central College in Bangalore, was celebrated, he was honored as the oldest and the greatest living alumnus. The highest honor that an Indian citizen could receive, the award of Bharat Ratna, came to him. In the citation, he was hailed as the father of the idea of planned development in India. But all these honors sit lightly on Vishveshwaraya's shoulders. Unaffected by all these, he lives today in his Bangalore home without a trace of ostentation. His devoted old secretary still assists him in all his work. Meticulously punctual in his habits, Vishveshwaraya keeps himself busy and active, receiving visitors, holding discussions with them, attending social functions. For he thinks with Ulysses, how dull it is to pause, to make an end, to rust unburnished, not to shine in use, as though to breathe were life. The one motto of Vishveshwaraya throughout his life has been, work is worship. As this Karma Yogi enters his 100th year, we cannot do better than invoke the benedictions of our sages of yore. May we for 100 autumns see that lustrous eye God ordained arise before us. May we live 100 autumns. May we hear for 100 autumns. May we speak well for 100 autumns. May we hold our head high for 100 autumns. Yea, even beyond 100 autumns.
Now, this is my time. Just what is it visible, sir? Sir, is it audible?
Sir, make it
Yes, sir.
full screen.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Sir, make it full screen.
Right. Now, what we observed, dear all students and dear faculty, what we observed from the video. So, what I observed, the three important things which I observed. So, one is we don't like to shine in the newspapers. That is most important. And at the age of 90 years, he is on the railway track while he is working. Even at the age of from 80 to 85 years, I think he climbed a ladder also. So he can give the orders to climb the ladders to other co-workers also, but he don't want to give the work. But there is a responsibility, but he don't wait even for some time also. But his character itself, his mind itself is always working man. So he is even sleeping or even walking, whatever it may be, he wants to build the nation. So from this video, that we have to learn lot of things. So most important thing is he built his life first. He built his life. First of all, he built his life, and then he tried to build the nation also. That is the most important, which we have to observe from this video. See, he is born in 15th September 1860 in a poor village. See, this is in childhood, even though his parents were not financially rich, the young boy was exposed to richness. His father provided him quality education. Even our fathers, our parents also provided him quality education. But where we are in the student community, where you are spending your time, in which way you are spending. That is the most important, which are most accountable to our parents, the first important thing. So at the same time, see, at the tender age, his father died when he was just teenage, means at the age of 18 years, even at the age of 20 years. But see, even though after the death of his beloved father, he struggled hard to get ahead in life. He was poverty stricken and earned his livelihood by tutoring small kids. So now we don't have such difficulties, but we are wasting our time in different ways. We are wasting our time like a water. Remember, dear students, this is the most important. This is the most important which we should not waste our time. So time cannot come. We can't purchase time also. This is very toughest. This skill from this the great person we have to learn. See, his education from the college, Pune and Bangalore, he educated, but finally, and he got all the great awards came to him. Remember, dear students, Bharat Ratna దగ్గరికి ఆయన వెళ్ళలేదు. So Bharat Ratna came. That is the most important. And Sir, the title Sir is the most important. And he totally at the age of 90 years. So now still we are at the age of 40 or 30 or 20 years. See, remember, the different thing is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy is most dangerous for everybody, but at the same time, if you want to become a great person, not that much great, at least we have to humble, we have to think, we have to read the great personalities autobiographies, not all these audios and videos and chit-chatting in the laptop, chit-chatting in the phones. So we are merely wasting, you are merely wasting your time. So this is the reason they got all this, they did a lot of things. Not only our Visvesvaraya, the great personalities we will see, even our great our person, our the same the age group or not same age group, same time, the great person Ali Nawab Jan Bahadur. He is also the co-worker of our Sir MP. So on his name only Telangana Engineers Day we are conducting every year also. But because of this pandemic situation, we have done at least like this. See, he also very good. He educated. He also from very poor background. He did a lot of things for the Hyderabad. So we have to thankful to him and we have to learn something from this Ali Nawab Jan Bahadur. He has given one formula also from irrigation engineering textbook. And finally, he died at 6th December 1949. So from these personalities, we have to learn something. And one of the great person, the President of India, See, he also from childhood, see, his early years spent in Tirupani and his father, subordinate revenue official in service. He is also a great philosopher and joined in a Vellore for high school. He also graduated, but from his life, see, he is now and his name only we are conducting Teachers Day. Now, everybody, see, Bharat Ratna is awarded by Bharat Ratna. He is a great philosopher also. At the age of 86, he passed away, 17th April 1975. So we have what we learn from all these things. First one is self-discipline is most important. Giving complaints on others is a waste. That's a waste, merely waste. Check yourselves and always check yourselves and don't deceive yourselves also. Nowadays, everybody is deceiving themselves and then deceiving others also. First, this is most important in our student community. So now we will go the next one, our the next personality, the great, the Prime Minister is from very from remote area. Our great person P. V. Narasimha Rao is born on 20th June 1921. In Telugu speaking now, I don't know 100% Telugu. He can able to speak around 10 languages. He is a pandit. How he spend his time? He did not waste even 1 second. But where we are wasting our time? That is most important. We are wasting. Uh, lot of time. By this time, 25 years is over. So how at least in one language are you expert? Why? So nowadays, that time there is no textbooks, there is no paper, there is no libraries. Now everything is available in front of you, just 1 feet or 2 feet in front of you. Why you are simply sitting, simply ideal mind, simply sitting and looking that side, this side? Totally, our community, students community is wasting their time. See, if you want to expect something, you should do. But these all the great personalities, they did not expect all these things. They did. They served the society. They don't. They did not expect all this Padma Vibhushanas, nothing. But what they did, they humbly submitted to their parents, at least their teachers, the teacher, that and then their environment. They that is their life. From their life, we have to observe all these things. The literary achievements also. Now he is the great, not only poet, he is a prime minister. Not only our P. Narasimha Rao, the great prime minister, our great Vajpayee, he is also poet. He did well. Even from the opponents, he got a good name. So even in the political side also, he got a good name from all. So now even our P. Narasimha Rao also is recommended. Now he is recommended to Bharat Ratna. Even opposition, even there is opposition because that is the character. So we have to build our character first. Then only we can do something. Service is different, job is different, passion is different, fashion is different. These are all passionate, great personalities. And see, these all achieve member of MLA, MP, Lok Sabha. In this busy schedule, he did a poet. He wrote some books also. The great person died on 23rd December. And one more, the great person from Telugu, is from the Telangana region also. He is from Karimnagar. The great poet, even in Telugu, in all languages, in cine field, very much about cine field rather than me. Also, he did everything. He took a Telugu subject, received Master of Arts. Then finally he is awarded the greatest award, Jnanpith Award Viswambara in 1988 with Sahitya Fellowship in 2014. He has also a very poor background. See, from his family, if you read his family, his father was farmer and his mother was a housewife. See, our fathers are not all farmers, all are well off. They are spending more money on you. As a students, your duty is you should do, you should learn. That is your duty. You should grab all type of opportunities as an engineering student also. Engineering is a common. There is no civil engineering here. Engineering is a common. Every branch is equally important to the society. Every branch, like our body, head to top to bottom, every total body, it is very built by all engineering with biology. That's all. All engineering only it is there. It has already the chief architect God has created from top to bottom. So no one should boast to our branch is great, our branch is not great, because from in the head it is a computer is there, but it is stand on structure again. So eyes and communications, we are communicating through eyes and all this uh, everything. So like this, engineering is the common. But the thing is, you should be excel in your area. That is the most important. By using different tools. That's most important. See the great person here. Oh, and one more, the great Sir Venkateswara. He is one the great person. See, he is at the age of he is sitting on his father's shoulders at the age of 6 years. So one fine day that opportunity came, the person not came. He got opportunity. That we have to wait for the opportunity. We should not complain to any other. We have to wait the opportunity. By that time, we should be equipped with all. That is most important. But we are doing in different way. Oh, he is not giving opportunity. He is not giving opportunity. Every opportunity has given. Even others may not give opportunity. Society will give the opportunity. In front of there is a lot of opportunities. Can you do? No. But simply we are sitting and discussing unnecessarily talks, wasting our time. So now you already wasted your time. So now again, because of this pandemic situation, again there is no convention. Everything is online. At least, see, remember, for our failures we should not complain on others. For first our failures are our failures only. See, is the poet. He number of devotional songs also. He first voice is his voice in Tirumala. That is the credit. But where is background? See, a very poor family, very poor family. So then, and he also passed away on 11th February 1974. The one of the greatest person, our president, our APJ Abdul Kalam. See the struggles in childhood. He was son of boatmen, but our parents are engineers, doctors. Some parents are collectors. Some are at least not. No one is boatman. He was facing many difficulties with his studies. There was no electricity in his home, but if you want now, no need to go to read on the street light. You may not get education, but you should. Whatever the opportunities, remember, dear students and all, one day God will compare with others. Management cannot compare, director may not compare, HOD cannot compare, nobody will compare. But one day, so two persons are there. So he will compare. He don't have he don't have opportunities, he don't have power, but he is president. But you have given everything. Remember, everything is recording. Just like we are recording here. How we are recording with a simple knowledge. Recently, because of this pandemic situation, at least we know how to record. But everything is already recorded. Everything is recording on above, and even in the darkness, even in the light, recording is going on. There is no unrecorded message. Everything is on record. So one day we have to give the accounts. We should not talk like this. Oh, I don't have facilities. I don't have so and so. But if it is a genuine, it will be accepted from the above. But others may not accept. But if it is genuine, it will be accepted. But for everything, only 60 years, maximum 70 or 85 years. But before that, yeah, what if you want to do anything in 20, 30, 40 years? After then only we can do like this. See, he also the newspapers. Now there is a fashion to morning for spreading the newspapers for what is that for morning work. But that is not correct, man. This is the requirement. Requirement that poor background force like this. This is important. Like this, no, that food is not required. For if there is a requirement, if you have a target in your front, then struggle starts. Then you should overcome that struggle. That is important. Not no one is asking you, your parents, go and do newspaper, spread the newspapers, earn money. No one is asking. That is your bad luck in other way also. So there was no electricity. He did. Now he got Bharat Ratna. He passed away on 27th. Just boatman son. So now one the great person, one more, our Pranab Mukherjee. He is also very one remote village. He also educated how many all these what is that political career. Even if you sometimes if you observe the newspapers and everything, there is a lot of oppositions. Even in the lot of opponents, opportunities, he grabbed the opportunities. Finally, we have some Bharat Ratna. Recently he passed on 31st August 2020. The great person. We have to learn a lot from this. And one more. Next person, the great person, the first woman engineer in India is not civil and mechanical or CSE, is electrical engineer. That we have to remember. This is the most important also. See what? She is named Lalita. She is the fifth children. 1919. All her brothers were educated to be engineers, while the sisters were important in education. Struggles. Married at the age of 15 only. Had a child at the age of 18. Her husband died after 18 years. What she has done? She did a lot of, she did service also, not for herself. Her husband death, she decided to continue her education. Completed intermediate in Chennai. It's a great college, CEG college. And then professional success. See where she is standing. Where she is standing. Where she is standing. There is a man's or outside men's male faculty or engineers standing at the top, fixing an antenna and so on. So I don't know. Assisted father is research, joined Central Science Organization. The achievement is the great achievement here. First and only woman engineer from India to attend the first international conference, women engineers and scientists. Now we are all facilities are available, subject is available, textbooks are available, all, but no one is attending to the conferences. Where is she? 19 in New York, not even in India. Huh? Associate Electrical Institute, AE, 1953, she became an associate member. Huh? So these are the achievements. And she also passed away at some age. Now, see one more thing. So one more the great person. See the first doctor, Joshi, was the first Indian female practitioner of Western medicine on 31st March, originally named as Yamuna. Also, very great tragedy, married at the age of 9, and widowed after marriage. And again, what happened? There is a tragedy again. There is a tragedy. At the age of 14, uh, gave birth to a boy, but the child lived only. And inspiration, her son death proved to be a turning point in his life. See, there is a lot of incidents in our surroundings, but we don't have inspiration. She has a physician. She became a doctor. She became a doctor. So we don't have that zeal nowadays. All are simply getting the certificate. What is the need of certificate? So without knowledge, if you get the certificate, that's a suicide. It's like a suicide. Yeah, somebody may ask you a question. Mastery of technology. Right. See that master is very dangerous. Master means everything I should know. She struggled, she suffered from weakness, constant headaches, occasional decided, but here the husband has helped a lot. All this success in medical college. 26th February, she also passed away, 1887. Now, our most interesting Indian origin as astronaut, American astronaut, she also, see, the very challenging, she has been very challenging, but she is no poor background. Remember here, poor background is not required. Poor background is not important. I already told you, if you once you put a target in your front, then struggles will start. If you again, I will go to the poor background, I will get, that is not right. So he got very good awards. What is that? Space medal, NASA Space Flight Medal, NASA Distinguished Service Medal. She passed away. That's very great. Really, it's not on earth on us, in the middle between. She has done very good job in his life, inspiring others also. Now, the great person, Einstein, everybody knows he is MC square. Not only Einstein, if you take Isaac Newton, now are we able to by that three laws? Can we explain? Still, we are doing PhDs on this E is MC square, so and so, so and so. But what they did, they are always reading, writing, listening, not talking, not seeing. All these great personalities are what they are. If we observe, they don't want to speak all these things. Simply, they want to listen. They want to listen. They want to observe. They want to read. We don't want to read the textbook. We don't want to read at least the textbook is most important. See, at the age of 13, when he had become more seriously interested in philosophy and medicine, at the age of 12, he himself as a calculus teacher. Struggles also there. Struggles. No, what is the struggle is, see what we can see that his focus on classroom was something is there. And this is scientific works, awards, great awards for Nobel Peace Prize, Physics, the greatest award. 18th April 1955, he passed away. So, and the one more the great person, these are our Shankar, Sham, this, if you listen that the musical instrument, it's very happy. His mother was died when he was very young. All these tremendous professional struggles, but he awards Bharat Ratna, awarded by Bharat. Remember, all these struggles, whatever may be the struggle, their target is their profession, their passion, and they did what all these great personalities did with full spirit, full power, and full energy. They don't want to escape from their responsibilities. That is the reason one fine day they are recognized. That is the recognized. See, Sangeet Raj died in 2nd December 2012. But he is a great person. He has given one daughter, she Anushka Shankar, the great sitarist, in the world itself. Right. Now, one more the great mountain man, born from 1929. So, wife was badly injured and died because of she fell from the mountains. See, what is this is the inspiration? But we don't want to walk. We don't want. Even there is no need to climb. At least if you want to walk to some distance, we number of excuses come into the picture. Okay, time comes and we have to use the vehicles. But others also, we are comparing with us. Why should I walk? So you go. Why should I walk? But remember, if you do, your health will be better. See, he carved a path 110 meters long. Recently, 2 days back, one Bihar village person uh, carved a path 35 kilometers. 35 kilometers. Only one person in the Bihar. He worked for himself. It is easy for others also. So this is one of the great person. Oh, these are the awards. Padma Shri Award in 2006. Okay. Died in 2007. Now one more the great person, Kalpana Saroj, profession is executive officer. She also in this societal, she struggled a lot. See, number of struggles are there, but success is there. Success is there. Award, Padma Shri Award for trade and industry. And see, one of the great Pakistani model, she lost his legs. She lost his legs, but even though she got all these awards, but we are all happy. We all comforts are there, all facilities there, but we are not doing it. Yes. One more thing. This is a great person we know already. Our CEO of Google and Alphabet. He lived in a small room due to poverty. Great memory, especially in remembering telephone numbers. You also know, I think hundreds of numbers once upon a time, 10, 15 years back. Now, everybody is using smartphones. It is all are forgotten. So we did not use our brain 100%. Even if we use our brain, we are using either left or right. We have to use both brains simultaneously. Then only we can track things. He is a selected CEO and great person. And one more, this is very challenging. Recently, last week, this boy is just BTech, I think, BTech final year or just he helped to the doctors and the government. What is My Slots app, chain breaker of COVID. What at the age of not even a BTech final year, but what our students are doing, all CSE, civil, mechanical, what they are doing, simply giving complaints. We don't have that, we don't have this. What he did, yes, given this great opportunity, help to the society. Nowadays, the chain breaker means rather than how it works. That is most important. These are the great persons. Now, one more. The youngest girl from Telangana scaled the Mount Everest. I know the Mount Everest around 888 feet. I think so. Mount Everest. So we, at the age of that she from poorest village, there is a target, talent. These are all most important. But we are thinking in different way. Or that's our nature is in our life that we should remove, or you should remove. Then only we can do some miracles. 2014 Mount Kilimanjaro in 2016. Why? Is it a habit? There is one is it is a habit, and another one it's a passion. So she has done. She is from small Nizamabad district, very small village. Now she is inspiring others also. But we are simplicity, simplicity. And then the great four persons from recent last week passing period from IPS officers. See, one is from Mahbub Nagar, very poorest village, but he worked as assistant professor in OU, Nizam College. His target is IPS. He did not miss the target. We also we should not miss our target. No one should know the target, but we should know your target. That should be always up to reaching the target. We should be in tune, in tune. See, one more person, Hassan Patti, Warangal district. His father was an auto driver. He's an auto driver. But why he has taken that decision? That is, no one can stop. See, Hassan Patti, JPS school, government school, did engineering in Warangal kids. He worked for a while, but never forget his goal of becoming an IPS officer. Son of auto driver became an IPS. His father is very happy. So he was born in Varangal and his father was a police constable, but he wants to become an IPS. See, he cracked. And one more, the great person born in Jammu and family was involved in small business. He did BTech in JNT. But we are also expecting from our college, our students, at least IPS and IAS. But we are keeping the what is that constraining ourselves. There is a lot of things that we should be in tune. One fine day you should go either IPS or IAS. BTech is minimum qualification. That's all only. That is very minimum qualification. MTech also minimum nowadays. But this area is totally different. But for that you should zeal is required. Zeal is required. All this now from this what we observe, not only all these personalities, still great personalities there. If you take Tendulkar, at the same time the great person Vajpayee Garu and our Tendulkar cricket player both got Bharat Ratna at the same time, two different environments, but their goal is only one. They worked for the society. They did passionately. They served. They number of times they sacrificed their time for the benefit of for the uplift of our government, our India. That is the reason Bharat Ratna came. Bharat Ratna వాళ్ళని భారత్లో వాళ్ళు వరించిందని చెప్పచ్చు. సో this we all need to thank for making our lives simpler. So what from these autobiographies, the important thing is a discipline only. First discipline. Then they did not wasted their time till they reached their goal. The number of struggles are there. So these are the most important autobiographies. From this we have to learn a lot. Then I will go for next session. Yes. Yeah.
Sir, Gopal Reddy sir has joined.
Okay.
We can ask him. I'm making him into the spotlight.
Sir, welcome, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
good
Sir,
afternoon,
you can
sir.
stop sharing the screen.
Can you hear me? Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So happy Engineers Day, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir,
Same to
good
you.
afternoon, sir. Shall we start our next presentation, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So shall I start, sir?
Sir, I will play. I will sharing this video, sir.
Uh-huh.
Just I will inviting all others. Then we can start.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. I welcome you. Now, it's my privilege to welcome our chairman, Sri Gopal Reddy Garu, and our secretary, Madam Vasantala Madam. So, sir, is it visible and audible, sir?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
can
yes,
hear.
sir. Okay, right. Thank you, sir. Yes, I am showing some activities what we have done in our college, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
On the department. Thank you, sir. Right. So, our director, so he always encouraging doing some programs, FDP programs, encouraging students to attend CRT classes because of CRT classes, our students are very busy in attending CRT. That is that is one of the reason we have done like this virtual. And so I am very thankful, sir, for this grace occasion, Rajendra Garu. And then our deans, Dean Ali Beg sir, our Dean Academic, Astos Saxena, and our Dean Students Welfare Association, Mr. Sujan Kumar, head of the department, Dr. Sujan and Dr. Apind Ali Beg sir, and our Saxena sir. The three deans, they are. I also once again I am thankful for this gracious presence here. And our HODs, Dr. Keshav Reddy, and Dr. Susan again, Mr. Srikanth from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. I welcome you, sir. And our Dr. Manaya from Mechanical Engineering Department, and our HOD, sir. So welcome you, sir. Like this, head of departments. They have done a lot of work last 10 years. They encourage students also in engineers day also. Once again, I welcome you, sir. And then our key persons, Mr. S. Suresh, AO, and our examination official, Mr. Hardavardhan, and the most important and Mr. Training and Placement Officer, they are Madhav sir, and our librarian, Mr. Ravikumar sir. I welcome you all for this occasion, and the department faculty who helped a lot. Last 6 months they are doing their job. I am doing my job because I don't want to disturb them. That is the reason. Last 1 month, all our academic, the engineering association team, they did very well because all our faculty are busy with taking classes. They have done very good job and they did some webinars
Sir,
and
hello?
FDB programs. Once
Sir,
again,
sorry to disturb you, sir. The screen is not shared.
I shared, madam.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Please check it. Not visible.
No,
Now
no. No, sir, it's not visible.
I will share it. Now,
No, sir.
no. And, just a minute, yeah, it's okay. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right,
Now
thank you.
it's visible.
You can go into presentation mode, sir. Yeah.
Sir, make it presentation mode.
Right, our deans, directors, okay, now key persons for department.
Yes, now it's
Faculty
visible.
engineering.
Yes.
Now, once again, I'm very thankful to the judges this year. They last, just like every year, they are helping in just evaluating the schemes. Now, I am very thankful to our Vinach Madam from HLS department, El Mandes from mechanical department, Mandes associate professor from electronics and communication engineering department, Naresh Kumar from CSC. They are evaluators for e-poster presentations and for photography. Gladys Madam from H&S, John associate professor from mechanical engineering. Dr. P.V. Krishna, Professor ECE, and Dr. B. Kavitarani Madam from CSC, they helped a lot. Once again, I'm very thankful to the judges. So now this is the regarding Engineers Day online quiz program. The 3 students placed respectively first, second, third from Department of Civil Engineering, and the e-posters are selected from our judges. The first event is water is a part of human living and engineering is a part of water lifting. So very good. This team for that he got a first place, and then low cost housing is the second place, and then challenges facing agriculture engineering, that is the third place. So these are the students from civil engineering selected 1 to 3 series. Now these are the photos selected three photos. One is the live, it is beautiful picture from their garden, one of student tested with comment. These three photos selected by judges, and these students are first and second, third from CSC department only. So anyway, once again, I'm very thankful to our students and congrats for the participation. Now is the time for our past memories, what we have done in the college, all Indian students, and some places particularly civil. Just I want to just now this is our last year inaugural session. Once again, I'm very thankful to our management for the session, because it is in virtual mode just to feel. It is also in convention mode. I kept some videos, lighting of the lamp and prayer song, and that Rajini sir is lighting the lamp from the department, also from the department, and then the prayer song, and this is the three personalities, great personalities, director, secretary madam addressing the session, Ministry students. And now this is like this we have invited every year, but this it has missed. But for the time being, I kept some invitations like this, and all the inviting sessions like this, and inviting for this is the newsletter registration last year. This time also newsletter is there. Then honoring the secretary madam, and these are the honoring the judges. Now the Haritaharam, see every year now the Haritaharam is most important in the Telangana state, not only in the Telangana state, in throughout India also. This is the most important. Before going to Haritaharam, what we in our campus, what we have done, small things. These are small kids. They are outside or inside. Even our alumni students, they are also like this. And these are the kids in the college campus. And now these are the department events which we have conducted last year, 3-4 executive programs and 5 days tours. The first time in Hyderabad, CMR Technical Campus, civil students visited 5 days tour. After that incident, what happened in the UMS College, for that management did and director also did, and for that we are very thankful. Students have enjoyed like anything. They got jobs in the same places also, but it is ad hoc basis. But three times we have conducted 5 days. After we only other engineering colleges are, have taken step. That next one, these are the tools and visits. This is a Loyalman exam inside tunnel. And these are the 52nd English Day last year. This is the judging, and our secretary and all are judges that time for models. And Haridharam and our environment. Say our campus, how it looks like. See in our campus, I think more than 200, 300 trees are there. Plants around as per my knowledge, around 50 to 60 different are there. Just some pictures. So this is one. The last Independence Day, our chairmen are respecting the flag, and our secretary madam just started last week, last this year. And then these are the department, some of the pictures. See, one is watching, and the great birds. They are engineers. They are building with double duplex house. So watching and building and living house. This is the most important. But they are doing sincerely for their requirement. We have to build that. All things. We have to build our character, and we have to build our characters. At least we have to build ourselves. So this is our environment is even it's not only education, and different forms are there. The black beauty, the strength of CMO Technical Campus is given thinking, and one is a waiting. This is a silver shine. It's a dawn of CMO Technical Campus I have given a name, and these two are the this one, and this is our campus. These are the small, flowers. It's a campus pink and yellow, campus red, campus white. These are all our IMS. They did very hard work morning to evening. Generally, the campus is clean, really away of it. I myself is very thankful to them. And finally, this is the civil engineering department. And personally, what we have done in our department, myself and my students, just I want to show you. Here, Harithaharam, just what I mean, Harithaharam doesn't mean that the planting of trees only, but it is the whole meaning of planting, watering, watching, guarding, waiting till it gains the light, and removing the insects, yellow leaves, trimming and cutting with the pain. Cutting with pain is most important, because after 1 year, if you want to cut a tree, it's very painful. That is one thing, and allowed to go. Then and then only it gives a shelter to small birds, shadow to all, etc. one by one, and all benefits to the universe. And we are a part of the universe. We are not the part of the universe because we are only 1%. 99% is there. We should uh, we should not pollute the universe. That means we should not pollute ourselves. When I pollute myself, I should pollute ourselves. That I should take care. Now this is our people. The first I planted in 20th February 16. So that is the first figure. Then I am giving water, and then my students are giving water, and then 6 on 6th May, that is fourth reason is got life. That is the reason people to planting, watering, caring, and got life. Now then it is there around around 2-story height, around 20 feet. I removed all insects. Now this is the very painful. I should cut. There is no chance. Then only trimming, sometimes cutting is most important. But cutting and trimming should be our parents. Should be our parents. If we should not allow our parents listen carefully. Students, the others may trim and cut. That's most painful. That is the reason we have to humble. We have to listen our parents, and then the next series of teacher may come into the picture. But we should select the good teacher. That's most important. Now this is the allowed to grow now the tree. Now finally after cutting, I am just strengthening the tree. Now the present status, this the last 20th of June it has taken picture. Now wood apple is the most important. Again same 20th February like this planted and caring. And now one fine day anybody can take these fruits. Not that that is most important. Our work should be fruitful. That's all most important. And then Kanga planting, watering and caring. The department only has done this one, no, only civil department and civil department students. I encourage like that. And then Kanga planting, supporting, anchoring also, and that is different case. The neem transplanting, this tree, neem tree is dry. It is transplanted from backside of that place, removed everything. Now it got a very green and got life. That is most important. Transplanting also most important. Sometimes neem tree finally anchored, and then this is again like this is the picture. The first planting. Now the tree. 14th September I have taken this picture. See, this is the series. Like this we have to grow. For this, like this we have to grow. For this we have to allow the trimming and cutting. Then only we can grow like this. Otherwise, we will become a wild tree. Wild tree can be cut by any other person. That is the most dangerous. That is 16 health benefits of the people tree that you had no idea of. So now again came neem tree also. This is now this is dry, green. This is the present picture. 14th September it has been taken. Now this is again wood apple tree. 13th September this is the position. 28th February this is the position. Now this is the Kanuga plant. It gives even 100 intense heat. It gives maximum. Cool and calm. That is the very greatness of Kanuga. So now I am requesting the management and chair that also already 2 years back I have given one circular also a request letter. We should protect all the trees in the campus by using the color bands. Color bands may be whitewash, white lime also like this or like this or like this. This is our tree only. This is the roadside trees are like this. This is again outside. We have to protect our all trees. More than 200 trees are there. It looks like very good. Just 2 years back I have requested that we have to do. The next one, the time. See, there is no waste of time in spending with the trees. Time spent amongst the trees is never time wasted. So even Buddha is believed to be enlightened, at, attained enlightenment under the tree only. But now, no need to go to under tree, all dear students, but you should go. You should read the books. You should read the great personalities. At least you should read your parents. Then only at least you may get enlightenment. Otherwise, if you read all that books and these books, if you see that from this side, if you waste your time, that is the most dangerous in your future. Now these are some our pictures, some of the pictures. Alumni, last present alumni, sports. Our one of the great achievement of civil engineering is that's only lacking that sports that also fully cleared. That one more lacking is that CRT. So they may be cleared in future also. That I am expecting. Now these are the sports and these are some model preparation last year, and this is our geotechnical engineering lab involving, and concrete lab and so on labs are involving, the survey lab. All this is the last year engineers day, the most important happy engineers day what we have done last year, and this year also very good what we have done virtually. And just once again I want to uh, thank you. God willing, we'll meet again in the next engineers day. Please now now I am going to present our newsletter just just 2 minutes only. It's enough. 2 minutes is enough to present the newsletter. Just 1 minute. This newsletter. Yes, I will show you the newsletter. Yeah. Is it visible, sir? Ganesh? Hello? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes, so this is our newsletter as prepared by our coordinators and our civil engineering students. They did very well this time. Oh, this time every day it's a ritual. It's a ritual to prepare the newsletter from September 1st to Engineers Day. So this newsletter contained whatever the activities composed of activities of civil department and students and faculty and other cultural activities from September 1st to this day, like this is the first newsletter. CMT news, our chairman sir addressing is there, madam addressing is there, director addressing is there, and the HOD addressing is there, and civil news, then our CA coordinators news is there, and then our department vision is there, and then students association activities. Even we are conducting association activities, jam sessions, so and so. We have done lot of these programs, lot of webinars, and our faculty also attended hundreds of webinars, conducted hundreds of these programs to our students, to other students also. And in addition to all, we have allowed guest lectures, and the most important one is 3 FDP programs. We have conducted each 5 days fully. One is academic related, one is industry related under the banner of Industry Institute Interaction Cell. These are the awareness programs we have done last week. This is our newsletter. For this newsletter, students are NSC program, so we are added, so Secretary Madam and the Chairman Sir Ankar also added, and this department Ankar also added. Some of the students place Vosagar, Srinivas, Ravani, Nitish. They are so different from the training and placement. I got some information that also I added. And publications almost all this year, civil engineering, sports also the most important here. All our students are sports cracked in university level also. Some of the events, engineers day, last year engineers day event is there, and civil faculty activities, faculty achievements, all these webinars, PC activities conducted and attended also is there. But department publications, all are Scopus index publications, and there is a need of improvement in this area. We see later in this year, and also some of the department programs. And finally, this is our newsletter, and this is the most important for this students of struggle like me. Now, as a HOD, this is my time to introduce all our faculty and others, just what our department of engineering is there. So now, once again, as a head of the department, just I want to address just 1 or 2 minutes enough. So, respected Chairman Sri Gopal Reddy Garu, Secretary Srimati Vasantalata Madam, respected Director today, Dr. Raj Reddy Garu, at the same time Speaker, Deans, Doctors, Professors, colleagues, HODs, a very warm welcome and good afternoon. In fact, all the students, you are the most important today who have gathered and participated, and you are the ones because of whom we are having this occasion. We welcome you to the virtual session of the 53rd Engineers Day, which is observed every year on 15th September. We commemorate the birthday of Sri Mokshini Visvesvaraya, popularly known as Sir MV in the past. It is an immense pleasure as a HOD to brief about the department. It was established at the inception of the stage of Cinema Technical Campus At present, the department offers an easy program in civil engineering leading to BTech degree and one graduate program in structural engineering. The department has been affiliated by NBA and NAC. The laboratories of the department are really equipped. Major modernization of various laboratories in the department was taken. The department also has credits centers of structural engineering in CSC and geotechnical engineering in CGE. The center takes up education, research, training, and outreach activities in areas of special concretes and materials. Though there is a quality teaching, it is not sufficient to produce the student ready for job, and they need industrial exposure prior to leave the campus to cope with the difficulties in the field in future. As we all know that 75% of the civil student jobs are directly related to the industry, to production, construction, and the graduate should work in different positions to meet the society requirement. Hence, the department established the Industry Institute Interaction Cell in the year 2019 that becomes an essential one to strengthen the relationship between industry and our institute. The cell provides an excellent platform for both students as well as the faculty members to be aware of industry expectations from the graduates. The cell serves as a podium to showcase the best practices, latest technologies in industry standpoint, and their implementations. As I told you, it is a great pleasure for me to be a part of 8th Engineers Day virtual celebration. As we all know that the Department of Civil Engineering has been celebrating Engineers Day every year to encourage the students to participate in different events like essay writing, model making, paper presentation, etc. Even in the pandemic situation, the department planned and organized the competitive tests like online quiz, e-posters, and in order to motivate the students to gain substantial experience, to showcase their skills, to adopt innovative techniques, analyze and evaluate outcomes, and to expose personal activity. Also, it is a ritual to release the newsletter on 15th September. It's over. And every year it is focused on the activities and achievements of the students and faculty in the department, even in the pandemic situation. I hope everyone will find this newsletter as a proof of the activities organized by the civil department from September 2019 to this day. This year, the department had presented the video on Sir MV and autobiographies, the great personalities, and some our college activities on the department. For all this, I would like to thank the CE organizing team. I extend my grateful thanks to the judges for sparing their valuable time. I place on record my deep sense of gratitude to the coordinator for their hard work in bringing the newsletter, and I greatly appreciate the CE students coordinators for their contributions in the success of 53rd Engineers Day. Last but not least, I would like to thank the initiators and moderators. Finally, I would like to remind you that opportunities increase when you help others win. That means I should help to others win. I should help to others win. That others may be anyone, maybe my colleague, maybe my faculty, maybe my neighbor, whatever it may be. Opportunities increase when you help others win. A little win for a partner is a little win for you, for me. That's all, for me. If I help to win small, so then I can say like this: a little win for the department is a big win for me. I can take like this. A little win for the department is a big win for me or for you. Last 10 years, what we have done. So thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Now I am giving the
Thank you, sir.
opportunities to-
Now I would like to invite Chairman sir to address the gathering.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Respected Director Raj Reddy Garu, Deans, HODs, and young budding engineers. I welcome you all this for Engineers Day celebration. I hope everybody is fine in your family. So
Thanks.
today we are celebrating Engineers Day. It's a special occasion, special day for everybody. Why? Because unlike others day, like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Engineers Day is celebrated on the occasion of Sir Mokshagundam Vishweshwar Rao birthday celebrations. So it has got a very importance. So that's why it is celebrated as Engineers Day, as well as Sir Mokshagundam Vishweshwar Rao's birthday. So earlier, we engineers used to create the things. Now our latest engineers are innovating. So now technology is changing. So everywhere changes are coming. So I appeal to all the budding engineers and uh, those who are already full-fledged engineers. So please upgrade your engineering skills. So coming days, it's going to be tough and it's going to be challenging every day. So if you want the importance or if you want to become uh, a popular man or famous in the society, you have to be different thinking and creative skills. So I request all the engineers, students and budding engineers. So please upgrade your skills, engineering skills. This is very important. So I once again wish you all a happy Engineers Day, and I thank our HOD, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy Garu, for presenting a wonderful presentation and sharing a lot of information as well as sharing sweet memories of CMR Technical Campus of previous years. And also he has given information about eminent personalities. So thank you, HOD Vijay Bhaskar Reddy Garu. So thank you. And over to Director sir.
Finish? Next. Sir, shall I?
Thank you. Over to HOD.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, Director, sir. Today you are welcome. Before that, any HOD, just head of the departments are requested to address those who are willing. Mr. Manaya, Srijan sir, and Srikanth sir. If anybody are interested to address, willing to address, please unmute you and you can address.
Yes, sir. Manaya sir is available, sir. Srikanth
Right.
sir.
Okay, Manaya. Yes. Come on. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries. Our chairman, beloved chairman, Gopal Reddy sir, director, Dr. A. Raj Reddy sir, deans, HODs, and all budding engineers. Welcome you all. Today's 160th birthday of Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, 53rd Engineers Day. So really, sir, your presentation was awesome. So what exactly happens since 7-8 years in the campus? I know very well about you, sir. So how the labs were improved and directed. Similarly, the way to Haritaharam and all these things, and procuring all the trees also. And I congratulate to you to inaugurate the session of Engineers Day brochure for the Department of Civil Engineering. So thank you for wonderful information from your end, sir, because eminent personalities like one top to bottom, and even all my dear students, you just go through these lecture, at least any one of means one of stories like patriotic stories or any one of the good personality stories. You just go through those stories and read, and just you definitely what exactly sir discuss about these personalities, you are also doing the same way. So for that purpose, you better to choose a goal, dedicatedly you have to work. So what our chairmen are telling about that inventions also done by you people only. Nowadays, it's possible. This is the pandemic situation. Definitely, you did a wonderful things. Until and unless without working, you can't do anything. So, my dear friends, don't waste your time, my dear students. You just grab the opportunities in these pandemic situations. Once again, happy Engineers Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So I welcome any other HODs, those who are interested to address. Otherwise, I will switch on to our deans, whether our academic dean or shall I? Any other? Sir, Dean Sujan, are you there? Sujan? Sujan?
Yeah, Dean Hamad Ali will speak now.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Right. Okay. Welcome. Welcome, sir.
So good afternoon to all the participants here and the people watching live on Facebook. First of all, happy Engineers Day to all. From morning, I have been seeing a post. I don't know how many of you have seen this. There is a Titanic engineers saying that all the electrical engineers were there. They saved the whole life. So on that post, I don't know how many of you have seen that. I just wanted to say, we are all engineer professors. So basically we are engineers, but at the same time we are professors. So now it is time that we teach engineers to save life of others and at the same time to save their own life also. So this is one thing what I would like to say, that we save lives and our own life also to get saved, one thing. And secondly, in Bhaskar Reddy sir's presentation, I was able to see a lot of musicians, models, singers, politicians. So hope everybody might have expected today being Engineers Day, engineers will be shown. But at this juncture, I say that it is the heart of engineer who takes all people along with them. So I look into that way. See, being an engineer, we did not showcase only engineers, but we have identified the reputed people, the people who have put hard works. That is why with open hands, we have included everybody, those who have put efforts. So really, congratulations to Civil Department, the way you have put efforts. I know every slide is made with a lot of difficulty. Slides does not become just like that. It is not just a collection of photos, but it is the better way of presenting the things. I appreciate the team of Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir, the whole civil department who has been putting a lot of efforts to make this day from last few days. They have been working very hard. Really, your day have come very nice. The PPTs, everything, really, hard work does not go in vain. That is what you proved. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
I welcome you, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chairman Sri Gopal Reddy Garu, Srimati Vasantalata Madam, the Secretary, Dean Academics Dr. Hamad Ali Beg, Dean Student Welfare Dr. Srujan, and Ina Ciencia Sto Saxena sir, Dean R&D, and my dear HODs, faculty members, student friends, and engineers, the future engineers. And let me at the outset first congratulate the Civil Engineering Department for coming up continuously, maybe 5th or 6th time celebrating this Engineers Day in our campus. When we did 5-6 years back, I told first initially I started with civil engineering, and then I thought of every department will take up one Engineers Day, but ultimately Bhaskar Reddy doesn't give any option to other HODs to celebrate this. Especially because it is a birthday of a civil engineer, Dr. Moksha Vishwesvaraya, who is a family of civil engineer. Maybe the reason, whatever may be, but he has been doing continuously for the last 5-6 years and putting all efforts and doing innovatively, differently. This time, I never thought that just I let it go, but still he has not let down, and he made it very beautiful presentation and beautiful collection, and also releasing of newsletter, many things. But what I request to the HOD, faculty, and my dear students of Civil Engineering Department, these, whatever have been showcased or presented today, should reach to the maximum people so that the good interested students should opt civil engineering, and they bring life into the civil engineering in at least in our campus, if not other campuses. This is what my thought on this particular day. So let me again, coming back to the Engineers Day, this is the 53rd Engineers Day, which we are celebrating as a token of rather remembrance of the Dr. Moksha Vishwesvaraya, whose 150th birthday today, 1860, has born exactly 150 years completed, but still we are remembering him because he is the only person, the civil engineer, who has given a life to the engineering. And even this particular last 6 months, COVID-19 pandemic situation also, the engineers are who are actually created a lot of, even the Delhi IIT students along with the faculty invented a tool kit for the testing kit for COVID-19 also at lowest possible cost of 400 rupees. So as rightly said our chairman sir, now inventions are not required. This is the order of the innovations. So we need to innovate, rather think innovatively, creatively, and then coming up with the solutions. And thanks to the technology, which we are supposed to blame the technology is ruining like you sell mobile phones and other things are ruining our children, are ruining our academicians or maybe students. But thanks to the technology, that only saved us on this particular situation because of this COVID-19. Without this, which would have been really continued our teaching learning process for the last 6 months. We never let down anything. We completed all the aspects like the remaining syllabus of previous semester, and current semester is also already we have started. Classes are going on. We conducted so many FDPs, webinars, again, what not, everything would have, except physical presence. Everything happened as per our schedule, as per our plan. And even today's program is also going very well. I thought only 1 hour, but it is now leading to almost 2 hours. So that is what we should thankful to the technology. And there is no bar at this point of time, at least now, especially the mechanical engineers and the civil engineers should remember that we cannot live without technology. We need to quickly adapt and rather associate ourselves with the technology to move on. You may think that mechanical engineers only invented the wheel and started moving. No doubt, the earth is already started moving thousands of years or crores of years already, but we started moving on the earth with the wheel, invention of the wheel. But we left, if you leave there only, you can't move now. The communication happened because of the electronics. The structures happened because of the civil engineering. The artificial intelligence, now the order of the day is CSC. So, but though the every movement, the newer technology is coming up, but we cannot separate each and everything. Now the buzzword is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things or robotics. So whatever you take it, in every field, civil, mechanical, electronics, all together, any application you take, everything is there now. Even Internet of Things on the other day also, so many occasions I shared. We civil engineers quickly should adapt to the Internet of Things to know where the leakages are there, cracks are there, propagating in the pillars or structures are. Because if engineer does a mistake, thousands of lives will go. If a bridge collapses, if any dam collapses, but doctor fails, only 1 or 2 lives may go, but engineer fail thousands of lives. So that is the why we have to be very cautious. We need to be very careful, and we need to quickly adapt the technology and prevent the loss. Right now, that is what the innovation. And in this particular period also, thanks to the chairman sir and his support, we could make a lot of improvements in the campus, laying down new road and improving the infrastructure. And not only that, we even did MOUs with orbit shifters with automation, artificial intelligence, and Robotic Process Association University, that is Automation Anywhere University. We have done with MOUs with those two, and also we are in the process of setting up IBM Excellence Center in our campus with a cost of 25 lakhs. Not only that, there are so many FDP programs have been organized, so much rather 3D printing labs, so many equipment have been developed for the mask or face shield or whatever it is distributed. And even as part of this social responsibility, we even donated 25 lakhs, whereas 50% is from the faculty and students and 50% from the management. Not only that, to the migrant laborers also, our chairmen are very good enough to support them with their rice and food essentials, and even help them, those who are traveling on the way towards north. The movement of the migrant laborers and transportation is also arranged. There are a lot of things have been happened during this pandemic situation, and even we prepared a draft and we submitted to the AICT, that is USVA. Very shortly, we are expecting an award also for that contribution in various initiatives taken up during the part of this pandemic 19 COVID situation. And I request the students, especially coming to the classwork and training. Training is also, a lot of effort has been put up for Capgemini training and other trainings. Training still we are continuing, and we are very happy with the 2020 batch. 400 plus placements have been happened. And this year also we are expecting the same in spite of this situation. Why? Because the only organization, or rather which is software, is only doing better than anything else. So there are ample opportunities. Even civil, mechanical should adapt quickly and should rather try to get opportunities in any software job where you can also continue your core work, and because that is now the order of the day. So likewise, the very maybe as per the new law, maybe norms like UNLAP 5 or whatever, whenever the situation improves and allow us, we are very ready to, the campuses were ready to engage the classes even on campus. So there is no doubt at all, but only thing the state government and central government should allow us. Till then, the classwork will continue, and we also circulated the new academic year, especially the second years who are following the autonomous batch for the second year. They are into second year now. So they should, even faculty should strictly adhere to the autonomous schedule. And we are going to conduct the examination as per the schedule, whether it is mid-exams or university exams, maybe in coming future. So from 16th onwards also, we have an examinations for the passed out, 20 passed out batch students. Those who are writing here in our CMR technical campus, all the arrangements have been made, and there is no need to worry about any means of fear, right? So with this, I wish once again the civil engineering department and the students and who are watching live on Facebook, who are watching through this Zoom link, and rather request every one of you to think differently and add something to you and add something to the nation, and be a part of nation development at this particular juncture. So at the outset, again, thanks for giving this opportunity, and this whatever efforts should turn up into the admissions and the quality admissions. That is what ultimately, if we get a good students, we do interested good students, and then we can make things to move further, and even we can make things happen in various aspects. That is what my earnest request to all of you, to give wide publicity to rather the videos or the PPTs, whatever, especially Bhaskar Reddy, whatever you have been prepared. Let us go around the community or the students who are interested to take the career in civil engineering, especially, so that you can convert these little changes or whatever it is, you can convert into them small videos and then circulate in all social media and groups or people, or through mail or WhatsApp, whatnot. Any media can be used for the betterment of the next generation. That is what my request. So wish you all the best, good luck, and once again, happy Engineers Day, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Shall I going to present certificates, sir? Just now, just with your permission, certificates. Now this is the time to present certificates. So once again, I am just came back to present the virtual certificates. So once again, I am very thankful to the judges for e-post and photography, and in online quiz program. So is it visible, sir? Audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, sir, this is the online quiz program. Our three students got first, second, and third place. And the first certificate, Kusma Sri Inta, got first place. And our Mr. Ganesh, just now he is the anchor. He got second place. And third, Kirti, my third, she got third place. Now, these are the posters which already I have shown. And three posters selected from the judges. And these are the certificates one by one. The first place is Nikita, and the second place is Bhavana, and third place is Akshita. Now these are the students got first, second, and third. Now this is the photos and their comments selected from our judges, and this is the first three students. They got first, second, third place from CSE Engineering Department, and then these are the certificates. First, Pani, and one more person, the second place got Sainad, and Muhammad Umar, the third place got from the these certificate, merit certificates. Almost all participation certificates already automatically they received their participation certificates. This time, because of this CRT program, there is less response. But even though this is very good response from posters and this photography. Once again, I am very thankful for the participation and congratulations for me, dear all students. Now, sir, shall I go for vote of thanks? Sir, director. Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
shall I go for vote of thanks? Is there any person? Nothing. Okay.
Fine, fine. You can conclude.
Sir, madam,
Yes.
Sai Priya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. That is your time now.
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure to have this opportunity to thank our beloved chairman, C. Gopal Reddy sir, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength. I thank Srimati Vasantalata Madam, Secretary of CMR Technical Campus, for her constant support. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our director, Dr. A. Rajireddy sir. We have a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. I also extend my thanks to the deans of CMR Technical Campus, Dean Academics, Dr. M. Ahmed Alibek sir, Dean Research and Development, Dr. D. Asutosh Saxena sir, Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Srujan Raju sir, for the enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. I would like to mention my deep sense of appreciation for all the HODs of CMR Technical Campus who encouraged the students to take part in this event. For the 53rd Engineers Day, the Department of Civil Engineering of CMR Technical Campus has conducted the events called Photography, e-posture, and online quiz. And we have got 149 responses for the quiz competition and 31 for the photography and 11 for the e-posture. I thank all the honorable judges for the e-postures. T. Meenakshi Madam, Associate Professor of Humanity and Sciences Department, L. Mangesh Sir, Associate Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineer, and S. Malay Sir, Assistant Professor of ECE Department, V. Naresh Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor, CSC Department, and the photography, M. Evelyn Gladys Madam, Associate Professor, H&S Department, L. John Sir, Mechanical Department, P.V. Krishnan Sir, Professor, ECE Department, B. Kavita Rani Madam, Professor, CSC Department, for accepting the invitation and taking out your precious time to evaluate the events. I'm very grateful to the HOD of the Civil Engineering Department, Professor Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir, who took the initiative to organize this event. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of motivated and dedicated faculty of CMR Technical Campus. I would like to thank the members of the association cell, the organizing team, and the coordinators for the events of the online quiz competition, photography, and e-posture, C. Bhaskar sir, N. Neena madam, and C.H. Siddharth sir for their support. And a very special and heartfelt thanks to the last but not the least, the students of CMR Technical Campus for showing their interest in the event and making this event a grand success. Strive for the perfection in everything you do. Take the best that exists and make it better. When it does not exist, design it. Once again, a very happy Engineers Day to everyone. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.